Types of formwork in civil engineering construction. Formwork is a temporary or permanent mold into which concrete is poured. Different types of formwork are used based on project requirements and budget. Type 1. Timber formwork. Timber formwork consists of wooden planks and boards. Advantages include low initial cost, easy customization on site, and lightweight handling. Disadvantages include limited reusability, requirement of skilled labor, and slower construction. Type 2. Steel formwork. Steel formwork consists of prefabricated steel panels and frames. Advantages include high reusability with over 100 uses. Smooth concrete finish. Durability. Disadvantages include faster installation, heavy weight requiring machinery, and rust susceptibility. Type 3. Aluminum formwork. Aluminum formwork is a modern, lightweight system made from aluminum alloy panels. Advantages include very lightweight nature, extremely high reusability with over 200 uses, fast assembly. Disadvantages include very high corrosion resistance, limited design flexibility, and requirement to purchase complete systems. Plastic formwork. Plastic formwork consists of interlocking modular panels made from durable plastic. Advantages include extremely lightweight construction, easy handling and assembly, waterproof properties. Disadvantages include lower load-bearing capacity, potential deformation under pressure, and unsuitability for large structures. Fabric formwork uses flexible fabric membranes to create unique architectural shapes. Advantages include creating unique organic shapes, reducing material waste, lightweight flexibility. Disadvantages include environmental specialized design, limited structural applications, and not being widely adopted yet. Tunnel formwork casts walls and slabs simultaneously in a single operation. Advantages include very fast construction cycles, high quality and accuracy, simultaneous wall and slab casting. Suitability. Disadvantages include extremely high initial investment, labor requirements, limited design flexibility, and suitability only for large-scale projects. In terms of cost from low to high: timber, plastic, steel, aluminum, and tunnel formwork. For reusability from low to high: timber with 5 to 10 uses, fabric with 20 to 30, plastic with 50 to 80, steel with 100 to 120, and aluminum with over 200 uses. The choice of formwork depends on project size, budget, and requirements. Each type offers unique advantages for specific construction scenarios. Key selection factors include project scale and complexity, available budget, construction timeline, required surface finish. Please share and reusability requirements, and subscribe for more civil engineering content. Thank you for watching.